Hello, in this demo we're going to use Gato GraphQL to automatically create metadata, in this case for the SEO Framework plugin, when using bricks, and we're going to do this by calling the Claude API. So the idea is that we can retrieve the content in all of the different elements in bricks, like the heading and the text elements, and from that we can create a prompt saying please create the best tags for this post based on all this content and to execute this automatically. So we're going to have two steps here. In the first one, we're going to run the GraphQL query manually, and in the second one, we're going to automate the process whenever we publish the bricks post. So let's start. So here on the website, you have here this demo where you can copy the GraphQL query. So let's do that. We copy the GraphQL query, and now we go to Gato GraphQL and we create a new persistent query with this. So we copy and paste this query. There we go. And let's give it a title. In this case, let's call it create the SEO framework metadata for bricks with Claude. And what we will need is the custom post ID of the post that we want to generate the metadata for, and the Anthropic API key. So here on the website, I have a couple of bricks pages, and we're going to generate metadata for both of them. So if I open this page, I need to open first with the WordPress editor. We can see this is the SEO framework, and I have the metadata here, but it is empty right now. So what we want to do is to create the metadata automatically based on the content of the bricks post. It will take the content from here. So let's do that. So we get the ID of this page, is this one, and we provide this into the GraphQL query. And we also needed the Anthropic API key, which I have prepared here. There we go. So now if I run this query, this is going to call Claude with all the content from this page. Now if we edit this once again in WordPress, we can see now that this has been filled. Now this information which was not here before, now have been provided, this one and this one, it has been automatically generated. Great. So this was running the query manually. Now what we want to do is when we publish the post to do this automatically. So let's do that. So I have here another page. Once again, here there is no metadata. And we want to publish this page and automatically generate the metadata. So for this, we're going to create a GraphQL automation. So here in the website, here we have automation rules, and let's create a new automation. We have the instructions on the automation here. If we go down on the demo, so the persistent query, it will be the one that we executed, that we created just now, the one that is generating the metadata. Oh, I haven't, you can see I haven't published this one. So let's publish this persistent query first. So then it will appear there. So this one, let's just publish this one. Where is the publish here? Oh, here we go. Publish. Okay, so now when we refresh this page, now press the query, we can select the one that we just created. Let's give it a name. We can call this, actually let's call this automatically create the SEO framework metadata. And here for the hook, we will need to provide this hook, which is a hook that is executed anytime that in this case, the custom post type page goes from the status any, draft, or pending, for instance, to publish. In other words, whenever we're actually publishing a page, it will execute the hook. So this will be our trigger. And then we need to provide these dynamic GraphQL variables. We copy that and we paste it here. And we publish this automation. So now, whenever a page is published, it will execute this persistent query to create the metadata using the bricks content, calling Claude, and then inserting it back into the page. So let's do that. So if you remember in this case, let's go back here. So here there is no metadata. So now let's edit it with bricks. And now I will publish this page. And when I do that, this will automatically execute the automation. And if we go back to editing this in WordPress, we can see that now it has metadata generated. So everything has been automated. Alright, I hope that you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.